Hello everyone, welcome to CLT studio in Canton Fair. I'm Jakinda and my partner Zoe.
Hello everyone, I'm Zoe.
Yes, CLT is the senior strategic partner for Canton Fair for 9 years. Every time when you visit exhibition in China, you will see CLT products and CLT team. Just because of this year for the pandemic, we cannot attend exhibition like old days. But don't worry, with the new channel online, like what we are doing now, for CLT Studio, we will try our best to offer you the most efficient information about the CLT products and the CLT company. So during next 1 hour, we will give you the introduction about some CLT products. And before we talk about today's first product, Zoe will give you a brief introduction of CLT company.
Yes, so please keep following CLT, and next let's come to CLT company. In this picture, you can see R&D building and the reception room of CLT in Shenzhen headquarters. Last year, we moved our industrial park to Huizhou City, very nearby Shenzhen, and it's covering around 120,000 square meters. In this picture, you can see SMT automatic production lines. So you are welcome to visit CLT on site to look around CLT industrial parks after this pandemic period. So CLT founded in 2007. Total area is around 120,000 square meters. We have over 400 employees, achieved many successful patents, and we have successful projects and area in over 100 countries and areas. Our R&D investment input is around 7.1%, so almost double the average in the LED display industry. So let's watch the video about CLT company.
Yes, from the video you will better understand the CLT company, CLT office, and the CLT products. Let's watch the video.
CLT Electronics was founded in 2007 with largest capital of RMB 16.18 million. CLT specializes in professional LED display and commercial LED display business, integrating R&D, design, operation, marketing, and service. National high-tech enterprise serving one, and Shenzhen well-known brand enterprise. CLT has nearly 400 employees, 120,000 square meters of R&D and operation base, and has gained more than 17 technology patents in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, etc. The products has been sold to over 100 countries around the world with 10,000 successful projects.
This is our SMT room. We have 7 SMT production line, assembling area, agent testing area, office area.
So this is all about CLT company. Next, move to the CLT products. CLT LED display is divided in 2 categories. One for professional LED display like H series, H plus series, TC series, and T series, and others. And other one is commercial LED display like the Xboard, Xposter, Xsmart. So we talk about commercial LED display. So Jakinda, how to define the commercial LED display?
Yes, for the commercial LED display, there are 6 obvious features: standardization, user-level design, high definition, internet-enabled, interactive experience, and scenario solutions. And CLT is the first one to propose the concept in year 2015.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
CLT also is the first one to launch the commercial LED display product in the world. So next, we talk about the first one. The first product we talk is the all-in-one design.
Yes, talking about CLT export, I feel too much honored because this is definitely a masterpiece from CLT, and all-in-one. For this technology is integrated with fine pitch technology and built-in speaker wireless control Android system. Nowadays is widely used in large and medium-sized conference room, information center, hotels, many places. And the size you see here is about 100 inch. So, and Zoe, you know some common products in our daily life which size is below 100 inch?
Yes, I think most of us are very familiar with the home TV size like 55 inch and maybe 65 inch. But,
Yes.
but I think mostly in the meeting room, it's very common to use 65 inch to 98 inch.
Yes,
Yes.
meeting room, you just mentioned a very
Yes.
good point. For CLT export, which is also mainly focused on conference room solution. So just now you mentioned for the conference pad, 65 inch and 98 inch, you know other products also used in conference room?
Sure, like DLP projector, LCD screens, and other screens like conference panel. Right.
Yeah. So we see that there are already many products for conference room solution. Why still CLT promote export for this kind of the market? Do we have some advantages? Yes, of course. So I will give you a brief comparison for this. If for LCD, if splicing to a big screen, there will have many gaps. And also the maintenance cost is very high. If the LCD panel is broken, you may need to change the whole panel. And next, compared with DLP projector, we know that the brightness is really very low. And when you have a meeting, you may have a meeting in dark environment room. So next to the conference pad, just now you mentioned 65 inch and 98 inch. When the size is bigger than 98 inch, the cost is very high, and it has limitation on the screen size. So at last, for the traditional LED screen solution, it has so many complicated external devices and must need professional engineer support. So considering so many inconveniences and disadvantages, there is definitely a big market with CLT export solution for conference room.
Yes, so many opportunities, so that's why we launched commercial LED display and we focus on it, right?
Yes, and now I could not wait to tell you more details about CLT export. This is the overall design you will see. It is third generation already. And the latest version, the design is very elegant. And then next, we will come to see the functions to know, you have a rough idea. Firstly, for the resolution, it's for 2K resolution. And we have the built-in speaker. Built-in memory is 32 GB and support expandable memory. And the running storage is 4 GB, just like our mobile. And support many installation ways. And in the next pages, I will introduce you the details one by one. Firstly, for the CPU, we use Huawei 4-core. It's very fast processing speed with strong compatibility, and you can install many apps with our device. Then for the interfaces, so many interfaces here, like control interfaces, RJ45, and USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, infrared control. You can also support RS232 for this one. And for the video interface, it's common for HDMI, USB. And for audio interface, it supports audio output, so you can connect with external audio device. And the on-off button here, and Zoe, you know what's this button for?
Is it, I'm familiar with the home TV
Yes.
button, but is it the same button like on and off?
Yes, you are very smart. For this on-off button is when you press the button, then the screen will directly power on, and it's a simple operation. And for this page, I would like to highlight here for the power consumption for standby mode. It's less than 0.5 watt. This is nothing with this value. It is definitely energy saving. And since our market is for global market, we will provide you international plugs to meet for different market demand. And built-in speaker, you can also collect external speaker.
It sounds amazing product, so you are welcome to visit CLT on site to operate the export, and you will know how easy to operate it. So we talk about the function. So how about the installation?
Yes, you know me a lot. The installation is the next topic I'm going to talk about. Since it is a user-level design, and since for the operation is very simple. Firstly, I will give you an introduction for the installation ways. The standard installation is wall-mounted. You can directly install the export directly on the wall, very slim. No need additional metal frame, and the design looks very slim. And another option is ground stacking. We also call it floor standing. You can see our backside, the screen have a feet, and we can add the wheels on the feet to move. So for one person, it's enough for him or her to move the whole screen easily from one room to the other room. And one more option is that we also have the lifting base. So means you can freely adjust the screen height depends on your demand. So many installation ways guarantee you more flexibility. And for maybe you're also wondering about the service.
Is it very? Do I need to prepare the professional engineer to do the service?
No. For the service, it's user-level service. We will provide you the maintenance tool for you. So for normal people, even know how to handle it. It only take around 3 seconds to remove the LED module from the screen. So it's a simple operation.
So what we do is to prepare this tool. Right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
And one more details for the installation. You will see that for the whole screen is divided into several pieces. So guarantee 2 people install a 2K screen just in 2 hours. No need a secondary decoration, no need additional metal structure. This will naturally save labor time and labor cost. It's a good point for our client.
So what I can do with this export is it having more functions?
Yes, firstly, the biggest application is for having a meeting. It is definitely a big helper when having a meeting. So you can collect your mobile, such as Android system or iPhone, or notebook, or even iPad can collect to our export. And at the same time, it can support 9 different devices collected to our screen. So what is displayed in your device and then what is displayed in our screen. This will allow users to interact and to talk more freely. And so when you project your devices with our screen, the picture quality is stable and any resolution of the signal can be automatically adaptive to our screen. This is also very easy. And sometimes when you have a meeting, you may have the demand to make timely amendments or comments on the presentation. Since our export is compatible with small LCD, small monitor or iPad at this time, so you can just make the timely comments in your small monitor such as pad, and then the changes will at the same time shown on the big screen. So other people will see the changes on the presentation. This will increase the efficiency of the meeting.
So just like now, we use the notebook to project to the screen.
Yes.
So what we can can we also have a video conference in this export?
Video conference function, this is a must since our export is compatible with different brand of the conference system solution. And of course, you can use your mobile to have a video call with others. But just imagine, if you have a video with others and others just show on the big screen, the experience is much more real. And the client is free to purchase the conference solution with us. Depends on him.
Next, any special in the brightness adjustment?
Yes, for the brightness adjustment, one unique advantage is that we have environment adaptive brightness control. So what's this mean? When the environment brightness is brighter, and then the brightness on our screen will automatically increase. So if the environment brightness is lower, and then the brightness on our screen will automatically reduce. This is on one hand is energy saving, on the other hand is good for our eye protection. And for the brightness control, it has 8 levels adjustment. You can adjust the brightness by buttons, by remote controller, or even by apps. It's very also friendly user-friendly function.
So maybe Jakinda, can you introduce to the audience where we can use in this export?
Yes, for the export, it's all-in-one design, have 4 standard size based on 2K resolution. It's widely used in meeting room, auditorium, lecture hall. So let's watch a video to understand better where we can use this product.
So at the beginning is conference solution.
Yes.
In these scenarios, we use the notebook to project. We can use the notebook to project the screen, project to the screen, and the screen, the export is wall mounted.
Yes. It's a PowerPoint presentation.
We have 4 sizes: 108 inch, 135 inch, 163 inch, and 216 inch. And we have the button to turn it on and off. Writing interaction. We can control it by the wireless control, wireless mouse, and the remote control, and also the flick pen. It's plug and play when you insert the USB. Here is in the video conference. Built-in speaker. Next is the transportation solution. This is in the metro station solution, and also wall-mounted installation. The size maybe is 216 inch. Airport solution, grandstanding.
To show the real-time flight schedule information.
Yes. Here is in the command center to make sure the real-time monitoring, right?
Yes, for command center.
Yes. And this is all about export.
for the applications
Yes.
you may use for our product.
Next, move forward.
This is for the video conference solution and the command center for real-time monitoring. This is for an exhibition. You can promote your product with our screen. And this is for government hall, wall-mounted installation. An airport to show the real-time information. Studio you can use for live broadcast since the refresh frequency is very high. So with a very good visual effect, you can use here also.
Yes.
Sales office, this is for the real estate center. Luxury place, club or entertainment place. This is for the, so after we know the features, functions, and the application usage, this product is really amazing. Of course, we had so many successful cases, so let us appreciate some cases. First one, we will saw the application, the cases for meeting room usage. This is also for meeting room wall-mounted installation. You can see the brightness is the normal brightness for the daytime. No need to turn off the light. So this is the advantage for our export compared with DLP or some other products on the market. Next, also for conference room. So conference room have different size, and also our product have different size. You let us know more details, we can provide you the most suitable solution. This is for the auditorium room for around 200 people. Again, for auditorium room for school. And the reception for installed on company lobby. Also for reception for company. And if for company with a screen installed as the lobby, it will help to increase the brand image of the company. Here is the overview for the specifications. 4 size, 2K resolution, and if you need more details, we can email this specification to you. And we have different certificates for different markets. Okay, so next let's watch a video for export to have a better understanding of what we are talking about. And after the video, we'll introduce you other products.
Hardboard is the brand of our commercial LED display.
Yes. Under Hardboard, we have 3 different products: Export, X-Poster, and X-Smart.
Yes. We just need 2 people to install it within 2 hours.
Yes.
We can see the base design, very streamlined. Huawei for the CPU. And the thickness is only 35mm, very ultra thin design. Support Android or Windows system. We have 4 sizes. Comparing to the LCD, you can see the brightness is more brighter. In the video conference solution, command center,
Yes.
and governmental affairs.
Airport.
Yeah, airports.
And for the export is all-in-one. Size is about 100 inch. So if a client prefer all-in-one design, smaller size, do we have the option for our client?
Yes, sure. We have less than 100-inch product, that is the X-Poster Pro Generation.
Yes.
The second product we'd like to introduce to our audience. So Pro Generation is available in P1.8, 2.5, and P3.1, and the size is 83 inch. It's all-in-one design, a very smart user-level LED display, mainly for the indoor advertising solution. Here we can see the dimension 600mm by 2000mm. very ultra thin design, just like export we talk about, and the weight is only 39 kilogram. Very simple and convenient for the end user to install and operate this product. It's plug and play. So Jakinda, do you know plug and play?
And sorry, can you give us more details?
Which means you can insert the USB, and then the play content will be played at once. And for controlling, it can be controlled by app, RJ45 and HDMI cables. In this picture, you can see the audio interfaces, video interfaces, and control interfaces, and other interfaces like power button and the brightness adjustment buttons. Exposter for the controlling, we talked about before. You can control the exposter by the HDMI cables, by USB, and the cell phone, notebook, RJ45 cables, even the cluster. So the biggest advantage of Pro generation is seamless splicing. Very different from other brands in the market, and you cannot find it in the industry.
So what's the benefits if client have this technology?
Because it's using CLT patents that the frame of exposter is foldable, can be hidden on the backside when you connect 6 units together.
Yes.
So you will have the same product in double usage. One for single use, you can place it in the retail store solution, and other one is you can connect 6 units to make a big screen. If you choose the pixel pitch is 1.8, so very suitable for the small event jobs as well.
So when I collect several pieces together, the screen have gaps or it doesn't have any gap?
Like I said, is when you connect the 6 units together, you will have a big screen with seamless splicing. That means the gap is 0 millimeter.
Wow, that's fantastic. I will keep in mind for this feature.
Yes, because my client asked before, he want to make a big screen, a small screen in a show, and he preferred to have other professional LED display solution. Then I convinced him to choose this product because I told him that he don't need to prepare the frame structure in advance, and also no need to prepare the video processors and to connect so many complicated cables. And what he need to do is just put this 6 unit screen together to make a bigger screen with 2K resolution.
Okay.
And finally, he chose this solution. So that's why I say it's better for the small event jobs. And next, we talk about the installation. The first one is floor standing installation. Very easy to open this foldable holder. And next is the movable base installation. Very easy to move the base with the wheel base. And next is the wall mounting installation. We will provide a bracket for you to fix the screen on the wall. And the hanging installation, you can fix the screen horizontally and vertically. So it's a very easy maintenance product. You just need the air sanction tool to dismantle the LED modules from the front side. And the system box design is no need the tool to open it. You just need 1 minute to open.
So also user level service.
User level service, yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So next is the specification of the exposter pro generation, and if you need the details, I will send you email later.
Okay, so I saw this screen can be spliced into a big screen without any gap. But
Yeah.
if I have a project for example, 200 stores, and each store just need to install one pieces, and I have a very tight budget. So do you have other solution for me to compare with this Exposter Pro?
Yes, we have another economical generation. We call it Exposter Eco version. Very almost the same function as Pro generation, available in P1.8 and 2.5, near the same size. The size is 80 inch. So very same as Pro generation, just a little different. It's rear maintenance and have a small gap when you connect them together, but only 5 millimeter. So other is it's same, so it will have same function like it's movable, supporting the Android system, plug and play. And here is some cases we did before. You can see the seamless splicing solution in the exhibition hall, and also other single use in the retail stores.
Okay, so let's watch a video to understand better Exposter Pro. And after the video, we will introduce you other products.
Yes. You can see the rich interfaces, audio, video, controlling interfaces, and also other buttons. The control system box is tool-free design. And you see here the button for power. Ultra thin thickness, only 35 millimeter. When you open this system box, you just need 1 minute.
We use 4K engine, very fast processing speed. Service is the front service. We provide you the front service tool. System box is tool free. You can just use your hand to open the toolbox for service. This is for cluster control. If you have many different exposter in different countries, you can use cluster control to have central management.
Seamless splicing, no gap when you connect them together. It's using CLT patents that the frame of Exposter Pro is foldable. You can hide the frame on the back side. Here is the solution.
Shopping mall.
Yes. Floor standing.
Yes.
Floor standing installation. Wall mounted installation.
We provide you the wall-mounted bracket, so you can directly fix the bracket on the wall. No need other special metal frame.
Ground stacking with the wheel base.
Yes.
You can move it very easily. Hanging installation.
Also, the hanging bracket we provide you. This is a big screen. installed by several poster seamless splicing.
And 2K resolution.
Yeah.
If you choose 1.8
Yes.
pixel page.
Okay, so just now we talked about export and exposter. This is with all-in-one and standard size. But if we have the client, he want to customize the screen size in horizontal and vertical, for example, for 50 square meter indoor screen, do we have the option for a client to choose?
Yeah, sure. We have H Plus series, and this is the third product we'd like to introduce to our audience. H Plus series is a multifunctional product, can be used in indoor fixed installation and also the rental jobs, available in P3.91 and P2.6, full 100% front service. It's the upgraded version based on H series. Do you know H series?
Yes, for H series, I'm proud to talk about. This is the #1 hot selling items in CLT,
Yes.
and the cabinet size is 480 by 480 with the pixel pitch 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5.
And it mainly for the indoor fixed market. So we have different in these two products. In the first one is the size is different, 500 by 500 millimeter.
Yes.
And the second one is we offer more choices for the in the installation. That is 90-degree corner installation. Let's move over to the features of H Plus. You can see the size is 500 by 500 millimeter. The thickness is 60 millimeter, and the weight is only 5.155 kilogram.
It's very lightweight. Even
Yes.
for me, I can carry very
Yes.
easily.
And let's see the separated part of the LED display, the cabinets. There are 4 pieces magnetic LED modules, and the system card and power supply, and the aluminum cabinets. We focus on details, so we have the installation direction and interfaces annotation and a customized nameplate. So when you have the direction for installation, you will have the right direction for you to install. And if you need to put the information of a company, you also can use this nameplate to customize the information of your company. And we mentioned the product is also can be used in the rental jobs. So when you have a project like this, we will offer the optional corner protection design, very safe and reliable, easy operation. And you just need to turn it on and turn it off.
Yes, this is to protect the LEDs.
Yes, prevent the LEDs falling down.
Yes.
And next, move to the installation of this product. The first one is the wall mounting installation front service. Do you know any special point of this installation, Jakinda?
This is the wall-mounted installation, and CLT R&D specially designed for the bracket and with the metal frame. So with this metal bracket from CLT, the total screen from the LED surface to the wall is less than 10 centimeters. It's very slim. And this is a whole package solution. Client can purchase the LED together with the metal frame, and it's convenient and save time.
Yes, this is the point. And the next one is the curve installation. Also wall mounting, just different, just in the curved solution. And we will offer the 3D drawing if you choose this installation. And next one is ground stacking and hanging installation is suitable in the rental jobs as well. And the following installation we talk about is the same installation that H series can do. And next is the special point of the H Plus series. The first one is the 90-degree corner installation. And you can connect two screens with 90-degree corners.
Yes, this is a very creative design.
Yes.
You can see in many shopping malls so have many pinners and also
yes.
airport.
Yes, suitable for very many stores.
Yes.
And the second one is column installation, very suitable for the shopping malls and exhibition halls. You see, there are many columns in the exhibition hall, right?
Yeah.
And next one is the ceiling installation. We will offer the safety wire for you. And about the front service, we mentioned this is the 100% from maintenance. So you just need the air sanction tool to dismantle the LED modules, the system card, and the power supply together from the front side.
And every component can take out from the front side.
Yes, everything. So this is some cases we did before, and this is the casino solution P1.8 pixel pitch. Corners installation in the bank and pixel pitch is 1.8. Chess screen and retail store solution P3.91 and the info center solution and hotel solution in Shenzhen P2.5. And here is the command center solution. And this is the monitoring room. Here's the summary of H Plus series. So the size is 500 by 500, available in 2.6 and 3.91, 5.15 kilogram. The brightness is 800 to 1200 nits. Supports full front maintenance. And there's one more choice for you in the installation. It supports the 90-degree corner installation. So next, let's let our colleagues to share some discounts about the H Plus to our audience.
Yes, I'm so much glad to share you the good news that for this H Plus 2.6, we have a super noised price. And here comes for the details. For the quantity, it's only 1,000 panels, which can enjoy this super noised price. And the delivery is just need 7 days delivery. So this is also, you can have more time. And the refresh frequency is 3,840. Even can use in live broadcast, good effect. And let me repeat again, the price is really historically noised price. If you have any questions or interests, you can send us email or you can leave online message, and our online assistant will immediately follow up.
Yes, please keep following.
Yes, and now let's watch a video to better understand this H Plus product. And after the video, we'll introduce you other product. The series is H Plus from CLT.
Thickness is only 6 millimeter. The weight is 5.15 kilogram. Size is 500 by 500 millimeter. You will have the corner protection design if you use in the rental jobs. The wall-mounted installation with the steel structures.
Yes, and with this structure from CLT, the total thickness is less than 10 centimeters. It's very slim on the wall.
Yes. Bracket installation. Rear installation. They install the screen from the from the rear side. Next is the hanging installation, very common in the rental occasion.
We will provide you the hanging bar, half meter, 1 meter, you decide. Fast lock. Very good quality effect.
Corner splicing. It using the CLT special connecting plates.
Yes.
It's 90 degrees. And let's see how to connect the cabinets.
Fast knock.
Yes. This is another creative installation. About the maintenance, we will offer the air sanction tool for you to dismantle all the things from the front sides, including the LED modules, system card, and the power supply.
Yes.
Here is about the H+.
Yeah, don't forget the discount information about H Plus 2.6. And now we already talked about 3 products, all-in-one export, all-in-one exposter, and even customized solution for indoor project. If our client have outdoor project, you will also have the solution for them?
Yes, we have. Actually, it's the last product we'd like to introduce to our audience. Also, is TC series is also the upgraded version based on T series. So it's the front and rear products IP65 waterproofing.
Yes, talking about outdoor screen, it's very common that we use the iron cabinet. Iron cabinet, I think it's more than 15 years already on the market. So let's have a quick comparison for iron cabinet and for CLT TC solution. Firstly, for the weight, for iron is 45 per square meter, but for CLT TC is around 25, so nearly half weight based on iron cabinet. So less weight and less labor work for the workers. And then for the thickness for iron usually 15 centimeter. And for CLTTC is less than 10 centimeters, so slim design. And it's more common for iron cabinet with real service. So this have some limitation. If a client if for wall-mounted project, there is no choice to have a maintenance space at the backside. Then for this kind of the solution, we can use for CLTTC. So CLTTC both support front and rear service. This is also the biggest advantage compared with the traditional rear service solution.
Better for the front service if the installation is wall mounted, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's come to see some details for the cabinet. Composed by 6 LED module, system box, and the aluminum cabinet frame. And the cabinet size is 640 by 960. You can also customize the cabinet size. You can contact this CLT sales for more information on this. And we know that for outdoor screen, the waterproof is very, very important. So how is the waterproof process for CLTC? Firstly, I would like to show you that the first defense we have is we have the rubber fixed inside the system box to prevent the water to go inside the system box. And next one, for the LED module design, we have a U-shape cover to cover the flapping of the LED module. This is also help to prevent the water to damage the LED module.
So these two, the rubber and this U-shape is double guarantee, right?
Yes.
To prevent the water.
Yes, let's watch a
Yeah,
video,
video.
that is waterproof testing from CLT. Now, firstly, the cabinet is power on, and then you can see how strong the water is, and then the screen is still normally functioning. For the installation and the maintenance way, and Zoe will give you some details.
Yes, let's move to the installation. The first one is wall mounting with freer structure. You don't need to prepare the freer structure in advance. You just need to use CLT special brackets.
Yes.
And it's wall mounted, so the thickness is very slim. You just need to store it in one steps. And there's a height limitation to the height is less than 5 meters.
Okay. So if you have a project size, the height is less than 5 meters, and the wall is very flat, we
Yeah.
can use this metal-free installation with the CLT special bracket.
Normally the wall mounted installation, I think 5 meters is enough for this
yes.
installation. So that's why we have the limitation to the height.
Okay.
Next is the wall mounted with the structures, also front service. And the first we will install the structure locally and install the cabinets. And next is you just put the modules on it.
Yes, we can provide you the Cat5 drawing
Yeah.
for the metal structure. To save your cost, you can make local to sourcing the metal frame.
Next one is ground stacking installation. You just need to install the screen with the back frame.
Yes.
It support front and rear installation. And so we talk about installation. So next we talk about maintenance.
Yes.
We introduced the TC series product supports front and rear service. So which means you can install the modules and the power supply from the front side via this tool, small tool, and very easy and efficiently. And if you choose rear maintenance, that is very simple than the front maintenance, because you just need to open the power supply,
The system box.
the system box.
Yes.
The first one is the first step, and next you just need to dismantle the modules.
From the rear side.
Yes, from the rear side. You don't need to install the module first. And next is the applications we did. So it was suitable for the seaside park, sports stadium, schools, and also highways and other shopping malls.
Okay. So let's watch a video to understand how this TC works.
To better understand TC series.
Yes. Let's enjoy the video.
Here is the separated part of the LED cabinets. High waterproof rate. Wall mounting. First is the wall mounting without steel structure. It uses CLT special bracket. You don't need to prepare the steel structure. Some detail parts. We also support the wall mounting with the structure.
Yes. First, install the structure on the wall, and then install the cabinet.
Next is the stacking installation. Prepare the back frame first and install the cabinets. Actually, you can also place the whole cabinet, right? Just use the rear installation. You will see the screw between the cabinets.
And the location pin.
Yeah. Module installation.
This is for the waterproof.
Yes.
The U-shaped cover on LED module to cover the flat pin.
Double guarantee to prevent the water. When it's front surface, you need to install the frame first and then the modules. And we see two types of maintenance.
First is the front maintenance.
You need to dismantle the screws and then the modules. And you can also dismantle the power supply from the front side. And it's the rear maintenance. Open the power supply box and then dismantle the modules.
Yes.
So in this live stream we talk about our commercial LED display, the X-board, X-poster, and then we talk about our indoor fixed, H plus indoor fixed installation, and also can be used in rental jobs. And then we talk about the TC series for outdoor usage and the front service. So thanks for listening and watching the video of our live stream. And if you have any question and demands in your project or other things, you can email to us, and we will contact you as soon as possible. And thanks again for watching the video. And I'm Zoe.
And I'm Jakinda. So let's again make a summary for the products we talk about today. So for the all-in-one commercial, the size is about 100 inch. If you have a project like this, you can consider CLT X-board.
Yes.
If you have a smaller size but all-in-one function, you can consider CLT X-poster. But as for the traditional indoor fixed installation, you wanna freely customize the screen size, you can consider CLT H+. And don't forget, we have a super big promotion price on 2.6 with 1,000 panels ready for shipment. And if you have outdoor projects, it's for front or rear service from Pixel P6 to P10. We also have the project for you. And of course, we have other products. You can send us a message or you can visit our website. And we are very glad to give you the live stream like this. And see you next year.
And you are welcome to visit CLT after this special time when you come to China next time.
So
thank you.
So yes, wish you all safe and stay care always.
Yes. See you.
See you.